Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your character in Temple Run 2. If you want to run with a different character in Temple Run 2, then first of all, open up the Temple Run 2 application on your device and make sure that you're inside this page. Now from the main home page, tap on the Runner button at the bottom right. Now, from the Runner tab, go ahead and select a different character you would like to change to. Browse through the available characters. If the character is locked, you can unlock it using coins, gems, or in-app purchases. Simply go ahead and select the character you'd like to change to and then tap on the play button. And that way you will be able to switch between characters in Temple Run 2. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the tutorial helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.